You cannot cage any of us. You cannot cage any of us. Autumn will not appear before your so-called disciplinary committee. AYODELE will also never. You cannot suspend him. If there's any suspension, it should be you who played anti-party by refusing to obey the constitution of the party, of zoning, or political offices as is required. So whoever tells you you can't, please tell the person that he's not serious. So I want to let the world know. No member of G5. If you like him that you refer to fight anybody, you cannot fight anybody. So if you're talking about anti-party, it is you who could not even deliver your unit, deliver your word, because of the fraudulent activities you are involved. People have lost hope in you. That's why you cannot win your unit, win your word. You cannot. So Governor Tom, who has stood firm for the unity of this country, Governor Tom, who has come out openly to say that Nigeria must be one, is not the type he will say that he should refer to that a kangaroo committee. It will not work. You have opened up a new chapter of the political war, and we're ready. It doesn't matter whether we live as governor the next 2 months or not. You are who you are, and will not relent to fight back. So this is so-called suspension of Fayose and other members of the party. I've not gotten all their full details. The members are suspended. But referring a governor to a so-called disciplinary committee is the height of all insult. And we will not take it. And therefore be ready for whatever you see as far as our party is concerned.